So knowing now what we have before our very eyes, let's look at this better. So first we have our letter from the YouTube.
It's from YouTube, officially.
And it reads, "You're bigger than Vancouver, you're bigger than Venice, you're even bigger than Las Vegas." That's a cat.
You've just done something very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope you didn't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone.
1 million subscribers. Maybe you've imagined that day for a long time, or maybe you never thought you'd grow so big.
Each and every person who subscribed to your channel was touched by what you did. They were inspired or challenged.
Either way, not much can match the satisfaction of finding out that your creativity, that your ideas, and your voice speaks to 1 million people across the globe.
Sorry. You made it to this milestone with hard work, perseverance. I don't know. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I did this.
We know that being able to touch the lives of so many people is a reward enough, but we're incredibly proud of all you've done, so we hope you'll accept this Gold Creator Award as a token of our esteem.
Okay. You've made it to this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and chances are a healthy sense of humor. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you.
With your track record, we suspect that you're going to keep growing, and we can't wait to see you reach the next milestone, 10 million subscribers.
And we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with the silver play button, a small token of our esteem and respect.
It may seem far away, but remember the days when you were psyched to have 1,000. You've amazed us. Keep daring, keep dreaming big, and keep creating. You're the inspiration for everything we do.
Okay. We know you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have the drive to create and share. Because you have found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem like a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you.
Sincerely, Susan, the CEO of YouTube.
Congratulations. Sincerely, Susan Wojcicki, CEO of YouTube.
It was a very kind letter, though. You know, very kind and you know, just a very nice letter, if you ask me. Something that I guess some would come to expect with a award like this, and whether it's, you know, something that's just pre-typed or not, it's a very kind letter, and I think that should really go without saying.
It's got a little bit of a smudge on the bottom, but that's okay.
A little extra bonus thrown in.